Hi, welcome to Beautiful Designs by Donna's channel. I'm Donna, a freelance makeup artist and wig stylist that works in the entertainment industry, but mainly in theater. So in this video, I want to share with you a past opera that I worked on doing hair and makeup. The opera is Madame Butterfly. It was presented by the Pacific Symphony, performed at the Renee and Henry Segerstrom Concert Hall in February 2019. In this video, you will view some sped up videos of me applying makeup, wig, and styling hair on 3 opera singers. Those singers are Karen Mushegain, a mezzo soprano singing the part as Kate Pinkerton. The other one is Ledesma, a baritone singing the part as Sharpless, and Pickle, the tenor, singing the role as B.F. Pinkerton. Along with the photos of the production, I threw in a photo to show you our makeup and hair stations while working on this opera. And if you're wondering who those 2 people are, they are the department head, Kate Robinson, and my crewmate, Joyce Contrell. I hope you find this video interesting and you give me a thumbs up. Also, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. You see, I don't want you to miss out any videos like this one. And one more thing, if you have a question about stage makeup or beauty makeup application, I can help you with that. I'm now offering virtual makeup tutorials in the comfort of your own home. I will leave a link to my website for you to check out on my classes. So I hope to see you at one of my classes, right? So let's get started with the videos. The first video is the character Kate Pinkerton. I just want to let you know that I only had about a half an hour for each person to complete the makeup application. So, as you can see, I already had her hair prepped for the wig. So I first applied the foundation, and I had to change her complexion a bit, so I didn't match the foundation to her natural skin tone. Because the director wanted the peaches and cream coloring, I needed to rosy it up a bit. She had a lot of olive undertones, and under the stage lighting, her skin even looked more olive than it appeared under normal day lighting. See, in theater, you can get away for not exactly matching the foundation because the lighting can change how your makeup appears. You only need to apply the makeup to look good for the stage and not for the backstage. The style of production was set in the 50s, so I went that way with the makeup application. I added the wig, and all she had to do is get in her costume. Karen's ready to play the role of Kate Pinkerton. The second video is the character Sharpless. His makeup was a basic male opera makeup look, which included highlight and shadows to give him a strong jawline and bring out his cheekbones and bring out his eyes without looking like he's actually wearing makeup for the stage. And the only thing I had to do is I had to age him a little bit, and I did that by adding a little gray to his hair and beard. If you were wondering where we were while doing his makeup and the character Kate's makeup, we were in one of the concert hall rehearsal halls, and in the background was the chorus warming up with the conductor before the performance. Louis liked to warm up while I applied his makeup. That's why he looked like he was talking the entire time. Here is Louis as Sharpless. So the third video is the character Pinkerton. Now, what I did for his makeup, I basically did almost the same as I did with Louis. I gave him that strong leading man makeup look, bringing out his cheekbones, giving him a strong jawline, and bringing out his eyes. Again, when you do opera makeup, you want the singers to stand out on stage, but you don't want to look like they have a lot of makeup. You want it to be natural. So that is the type of makeup that I was doing. Now, one of the things differently that I did with his makeup is instead of adding gray, I actually had to take away some gray because the director didn't want to see that. So that's what I was doing right there. So Here is John as Pinkerton.